I want you to know that everybody that's ever been great, everybody has had an obstacle to overcome. They've had a barrier that they had to climb. There is no individual who's ever reached success and he didn't have to go through an obstacle or a barrier to get there.
She dead now and never met nothing in her life, and him dead they all good and well. I just in a 2020 or 2019. Them lock him up. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. It is a new day right now. I'm not too long wake up, well, not too long, like an hour ago, but I was still just there lying because listen, I deliberately just get up late out of bed. I don't necessarily wake up late, but I get up late out of bed for these lockdown day, what these breakouts. Anyway, because like it's so slow and I really don't have that much to do today. I really don't have that much to do today, so I said why not just start a vlog and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make some iced coffee. A few minutes sure I can have for breakfast yet, like to eat. So yeah, let's head to the kitchen and see what's up. Actually went ahead and I had some porridge. I said to myself, when I sit down and I think, right? And I say, oh, you know what, I'm cool, because from the last vlog I saw where you guys were so excited. I didn't know so that would probably happen. You guys were so excited to get a vlog during lockdown. So right now it's that lockdown that I am currently going through, but by the time you guys should see this vlog, it would be the next lockdown. That's how I plan it. So I say, well, I also saw a comment where somebody say, you know, I wish we'd get a vlog every day. Somebody said, Lord God, you know, that nice to do a little vlogathon, a little vlog series, a little something like that. So I say what me I gonna do is for this other lockdown that's going on right now, I don't know if no more will go on, and if no more will go on, no, I'm not telling us I gotta vlog a ton feet. I'm just gonna try, because I know so the only time I do nothing to like them somewhere in of December, right? So vlogmas. So yeah. You guys are gonna be getting a vlog every single day for the lockdown. My people overseas, me know enough. Well, someone not deal with no lockdown, but still, you guys happy to get a vlog every day, right? So yeah. So I'm actually starting it from today, which is Saturday. I know today is not a lockdown day, but I'm just throw it in there. So you guys gonna get a vlog today, tomorrow, which is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So you guys getting 4 vlogs. I don't know what to call this series. I really don't know. Lockdown-a-thon. And that lame. Lockdown-a-thon. I don't know what go on. Basically, it's just gonna be me. Whatever I do in the period where it's not lockdown, then each day I'm gonna vlog something and try make it a complete vlog, and that's what I'll give you guys. So I'm starting it from today, which is a lockdown day, and more than likely that vlog will continue over into when we come from out of lockdown. I've said that one word so many times so far. She's Hey guys, not too long ago, you know, make sure I know say me that earth up show me head if I say now see I cook stew peas. Cause she not there right now. So I say, Chuck, I want to cook group. So I said, Chuck, I got a couple stupid that no. Yo, literally, Shami's face was this. She said this reaction. But right now, still like that, I got a top. I just did want to share that little story that we don't know. I'm not too serious, so. Yeah. It's now, it's minutes to 6 in the evening. Yeah, time need for just or up and move. I just can't wait till Wednesday morning come. At today's school start, mommy? And the wallet parents them fed up with online school. Fed up. So it's currently 8:20 at night. Alright, so now I'm gonna have my glass of wine. One of my faves to have. Let me show you. So if you guys didn't know already, this is actually one of my faves to have. I'll have the Banished, or I rarely see this in the supermarket. But I get it when I see it. Yeah, occasionally have a glass of red wine. Mommy them don't really like it. I'm the only one that likes the 19 Crimes. Well, when Divine is here, he drinks it too. He never like it at first, but now he love it. But this one, I find it to be a little stronger than the Banished, and it's, I don't know, it just have a bit of it's a little bit richer. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine. I'm gonna get into this Q&A real quick. Let's go. How you like it? You don't like it, same way?
It's a little bit better than the last one.
Oh, it is. So make it yes, sister. Tastes like a richer, like a sweeter.
Yeah, a little bit.
The one little too.
Yeah.
Taste again.
A little sweeter. A little sweeter.
And it little stronger.
What?
I start with a fan breeze. Yes, I have to have the fan on because it's hot. Okay, so alright, we'll just jump in on them questionnaire real quick. It's not a lot, but a lot. Okay, so it's a lot of questions, but what do you put in repetitive? Like a lot of them were asking about like my mental health, like what's my mental health and my family mental health like at the moment. So to just address that one, we're good, we're fine, you know. And I assume that, you know, people would have asked that because of my previous like vlog where I did that sit down and talk about a couple stuff. So yeah, not only that, but like I know with everything that's going on, you know, people probably gonna know that too, because I feel like a lot of people isn't doing well mentally, but I feel like some people like them afraid to say, you know, I'm not alright mentally, you know, because people usually, from what I've observed, like a lot of people afraid to say like when they're not okay mentally. But we're doing good. We're doing good. So just to start off, what's my biggest pet peeve? So one of my biggest pet peeve is, well, I can't remember everything right now, but like for instance, like when I go out on the road and then like I get a bunch of stares. It's normal to get stares, you know, but it's like I'll notice somebody staring at me, and as I reach home I get a message, or as I leave the spot I get a message, and the person be like, oh my gosh, I'm just seeing about me, they too shy, like, oh, what am I gonna do now? You know, what am I gonna do now that you message me? Like, wouldn't you have felt better? Like, that's what I always tell you guys, like, listen, I know I do have a serious look on my face when I'm out on the road. I mean, I mean nothing by it. So you're not afraid, you're not shy, you know. But yeah, that's a big pet peeve of mine. Like, just say something, you know. What's your least favorite exercise? I would say probably hip thrusters. No, it's a love-hate relationship with hip thrusters. It's like I love it, but I hate it. It's like I go to the gym and I'm like, Jesus Christ, like that's a glute exercise, by the way. And I'm like, if you notice, say, when I get it in the routine, I'm like, so when I do none of that today, but you know, I say, no one do it, you know, but more I do it. You know, so it's like a love-hate relationship with hip thrusters. Favorite sneaker brand? Nike. Nike, yeah. What's it like being a strong, independent woman? I love you so much. Thank you. Oh, and she put like a dying rose at the end of that. Why would you put that? I mean, it feels good. It feels good to know that you don't need approval to do anything that you want to do. It comes with a lot of hard work and focus and something, but I mean, who doesn't want to be independent? I mean, everybody different still, but I enjoy being strong and independent and able to take care of myself and can, you know, all of them look nice up there. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. Somebody asked where most of my fits from. Okay, so they're from like different collective brands. You guys know over the years, you know, I partnered with Fashion Nova, just a number of different clothing brands and stuff. So Fashion Nova, because honestly, yeah, at one point in time I was like, a lot of my fits were from Fashion Nova, but then I kind of just mix up everything more nowadays. So I got Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, Hot Miami Styles, Nasty Gal, I do Posh by V, I really love their stuff, Forever 21, let me see what's something, you know, she's Shein, oh, forget Shein, oh, forget Shein. But yeah, which other place, like, more place that I know. She's I can't remember right now, but it's just a ton. It's a ton. And if you follow up with me on PETITE-SUE DIVINITII, my main channel, you would have seen like a couple hauls well that I do over there, and you see me wear fits that I do in my hauls from time to time. So check that out. Keep up with that. Yeah. Did you think you would be so successful with YouTube initially? No, not at all. Not even a little bit. I used to just see people with like them, look out, them 100K subs and them even 50K, you know, much as 200K, 400. Me? What, me? Yes, so I mean, what keeps you motivated to work out every day? I do workouts every day, but I'm not always motivated, to be honest. If we're being completely honest, I'm not always motivated. I'm more so disciplined, because trust me, some days literally just not gonna feel it at all. But within myself, me keep up with this fitness lifestyle because of not just of how I want to look, but because of how it makes me feel. Especially with what's going on right now, you know, it's good to be healthy internally. And just, you know, look your best, feel your best, and just, you know, that's just like, who doesn't want that? I want that, so that's what I do. And I'm not gonna take the shortcut, really. It's like you feel more rewarded, you feel like you achieve something when you actually put in the work. So I know it might sound cliche, and it's like, girl, please, but genuinely, I'm telling you guys the truth. Right now, I'm not gonna work out. Haven't worked out in the past like 3.5 weeks. I'm not gonna work out for the next 2 weeks, as I mentioned, because you know, it's just been like a lot going on. So literally, it's like a long break. But yeah, I'm going to start back soon. So yeah, that's what that is. Alright, so somebody say, if you had to choose between no wigs or no makeup for a year, which would you prefer? Guys, the two of them there like my work, two of them there my job. I'm gonna love the two of them there. Right, what? You know, I really don't wear makeup every day. I'm gonna wear wigs every day. Do I? I don't wear wigs every day. Sometimes I take breaks, but I wear makeup way less than I wear wigs. So you know what? I think I'm probably go with makeup. Probably I just skip the makeup for a year, because while I'm doing I can't really get my skin in shape and make it like A1. I can rock my natural hair too. Like literally, I can do without both. But if I had to choose, I'll keep the wigs, lose the makeup for a year. That's what I would do. Alright, so I just want to keep this kind of short and sweet. So as I said, I'm not gonna get for answer everything, but yeah. And that's the reason why I put it in the vlog, because it's more chill and laid back. And when I saw that, you know, also the questions were repetitive, you know, of course, it would not be a Q&A if you never, like if I ever get a question about asking me about baby and when I have baby, and that, the answer to that is, you know, when it happened, it happened. That's what I always say. Obviously, that's not the case right now because guys see what's going on is kind of self-explanatory. So yeah, it's not that I don't want to out. It's just that, you know, I'm not right now. So that's just the vibes, and when it happened, it happened. That's all it is. So yeah. Would you do a tap between your boobs like Rihanna? No, I don't really my style that, but it looks cute on Rihanna though. My style is definitely just doing sleeves. Would I get like a full sleeve? Nah, I don't think so. Cause it's the only tone. I don't know if I really like that for myself. I like the half sleeve though. So the most I'd probably do is full out the half portion. But I don't know if I do the full portion. I don't think so. What's the next piercing on your list to do? Literally none. I'm not that intrigued by piercings to that. One at a time I did some and do the whole of my ear here, but then it got, I don't know. So someone said, how are your goals for this year looking so far? Looking pretty good. Listen, I'm just taking each day as it comes, you know, from last year to this year. I say just last year to this year I start learning things, but them 2 years I didn't teach you a lot, and it's like, yo, if anything, it's like it just should say appreciate each day as it come and leave it to the fullest, because you never know what tomorrow might bring. So yo, as long as I live and wake up to see another day, that's a big accomplishment for me. You know, it's a big blessing. So, and if I don't learn nothing else as well, I've learned that, yo, just move in silence. So some things nobody talk about it till it happen, you know, and that's kind of been me from a long time now. But yeah, yeah, my goals for this year, it's been looking good. It's been looking good. See, then how are you and the family mental? It's just so many, not talking about are you okay mentally. It's a question. Yo, there's so many questions about that. So was there or were there any consolation prizes to being runner-ups on the social house? No. What's my favorite Starbucks flavor? I still haven't tried a lot of the flavors that Starbucks have, or drinks or mixes or whatever. As you could see in the last vlog that I did, I was so bummed after buy the strawberry acai because I'm so used to getting that. But so far, I'd say one I really like is a passion fruit frap. Really delicious, but from what they did not have it, I guess probably it's out of season, I don't know. But yeah, I really like that one, passion fruit frap. That's delicious. It's like milky but still like refreshing. I don't know how that makes sense, but it tastes really good. What's your most embarrassing moment? Most embarrassing moment, Jesus, most embarrassing moment. My Avena, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm not even ever tell nobody this. I just show me alone because she did the event with me. Listen, I go on event, but I'm not gonna say which event. But we go on event one time, and I mean it's not really the most embarrassing moment, but it was embarrassing. But I don't know if nobody did see. If nobody did see, I guess then play it off. But I had on this shirt like this off the shoulder, like top, and it's each on to like the portion here. And Martha say like it have a nice fluff pumpkin like kind of thing. It's not recently, by the way. It's probably like 3 years ago. Okay. So it's like I don't know what's going on, you know, but I'm gonna lift up my hand and I'm gonna lift up the hand one was the sleeve pop from the blouse, like literally. I should be able to me like when she look when I look at my hand, I don't get so the sleeve reach and the blouse up here. So listen, yo, to how fast I pull up the sleeve for my hand. Listen. I'm gonna tell you, say I want bougie kind of event with the day, like them time, you know, you have events that one where influencers get invited to. I'm like, bruh. Anyway, I'm play it off, me itch it up and that my the whole night. Alright, I'm gonna like one more question. Come on, make this too long, you know. Okay, so which other countries would you like to visit? So I would like to visit Greece, Dubai, East Africa, Seychelles to be specific. definitely go back to Mexico. I don't know when. Don't ask me when none of this is happening because I really don't know. But we know someone want to go. Where else? Paris, yeah, it's not like at the top of my list, but yeah, I would love to go. I would love to go to Japan. Yeah, a number of other places, but those places are like at the top of my list. So yeah, that's my last question that I'm gonna take from the batch. Yeah, just gonna show out to everybody. Like I had, as I said, I got a lot of repetitive questions about babies, question about my mental health, question about relationship, you know, the norm. So yeah, but yeah, right now I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the night. I'm gonna finish my wine and I'm gonna just watch some TV. That's it. So yeah, see you in the next clip. It's a new day. It's literally a new day. It's dinner time and I'm just sharing with you what I'm having for dinner today. This is like some chicken steak with mashed potato, corn, and sweet potatoes. Looks really good. All morning I've been here. I was just like finishing up the edit of the vlog and something. I must say I never really like vlog that much today because I know nothing going and it's the last day of lockdown. I never really want to chat out or just I never really want to like, you know, the vlog like all the way in the house alone. So I did I say I wait till tomorrow now. I can continue with the vlog and just kind of like, you know, mix it up. I don't want it all in one place, if you get what I mean. Okay, so you guys, finally, please open. So it's Wednesday morning. So I'm literally I'm here at Iadorn. Shami was supposed to be here before me. She actually on her way, but she's late. So I just go before her. So Lisa not come downstairs yet. So I'm just waiting it. Music playing inside. I'm gonna get copyright. So I just said I'm gonna come out here. So pick up where I left off. And yeah, it feels so good to be outside. Though, like, and I said, I have to like lock up in the house. I literally don't go outside since when? Since Saturday, literally. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into these brows. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the session. So today I'm going to try something a little different. So, you know, it's a retouch, but I'm going to try something a little different. Yeah, so today we'll be doing the combo brows, which is a combination of microblading and shading. Shading is otherwise known as ombre or powder brows. So we use a PMU machine, which is called a permanent makeup machine, to break up the skin to add more ink. So it will last a bit longer than the microblading, and it will last longer. Okay. Right, so we put the strokes around the border of the brow and in the front, and then we shade in the middle towards the tail to give it that fullness, and the strokes around it will still give it that natural look. Oh, so how long it lasts? It lasts 1 to 3 years. Even longer depending on how your body accepts it, because it's a foreign object going in the body, so your body's gonna reject it. Because remember, you had to come for 2 sessions. Yeah. When we just started. Right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put you to numb. I'm just cleaning the air with some alcohol pads. And numbing is 20 minutes or 25 minutes depending on. Yeah. And how long the entire process to? So always come prepared to spend at least 2 hours, depending on how your symmetry is. We sometimes have to spend a longer time doing the mapping to ensure that we get the best shape for you. So come prepared to spend a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. Okay. And since this is still a retouch session, it's just one session, right? To do this? It's just one session, right? So depending on how long after you come back, I would definitely recommend one session. I still see that we have a bit of definition. The shape is still really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and do the shading as well, which is gonna make it darker. Remember, you're gonna go through an oxidation process for the very
first 5 days it's gonna get really dark. So when it starts stripping, then I'll know. If it takes longer to strip, then you'll get better color retention. If it starts to strip sooner, then I would probably recommend you come back for a review in 6 weeks. And then you could do a touch up there if needed.
What's the best way for, you know, people to book you? Because there's so much people always reaching out to me like, who did your microblading?
So the best way to book me is to call or send a WhatsApp message, direct message on Instagram.
Okay.
My Instagram is iadorn, EYE_ADORN. And you can find my contact there as well.
Okay, so you guys can go there and find out the price and all that good stuff.
Yes, and the website is coming soon. I'm working on it right now.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So guys, this is what I was saying, like this whole process here, because I hear some people saying like them do it and it's hot. People ask me if it's painful, but it's not painful at all.
Yes, so I numb it with lidocaine at first, and then we use another numbing.
Yeah.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaka i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt är dig jag vill wifa. Yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog ner det baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby. Hey, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay aldrig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay aldrig.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah. She just want a highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling.
This bump won't spoil my show. Anyways, we are all done. Oh yeah, Shami's back. Hi. Yeah, it's nice to get a retouch.
Yeah, it really getting it realistic when you do a retouch.
Yeah, like look at the front, like look at the you see the little hairs?
Yeah.
It looks so good, guys. Right now we're gonna get food. 10 out of 10 would recommend. As you guys know, that was a nice little sesh. Up and come and get the retouch, man. It nice, very nice. So right now it's still bright and sunny outside. All these sleeping police. I just made the final stop I'm have to make for today, and I threw it everywhere I lock up now. So I can't believe how time just run out fast. And like I literally got up from 8 o'clock this morning and was up and out, like, and it there enough. But I saw a comment where somebody said if me drive and me find it so hard, imagine the people in my take bus and that's true. I can't just imagine how no have it hard.
Yo, I see some video and it's so it's
sad.
It's sad because
yeah.
things happen. And sometimes you end up having to go bus stop after, like probably end up with the bus stop after a curfew.
Yeah.
And then the bus them will go come down and go extra ram and it's like hard for you, especially in our day when the rain all fall. And
yeah, man. Yeah, some situation, me not gonna lie, me can't imagine. So I can't relate and I like say, listen, me used to remember so now watch me from when me a charter taxi, I take taxi and I take bus, you know. So I like say me been off car, so I totally relate.
Yeah,
we all relate. So yeah, but right now, so okay, so no cooking now go on today. So I just say, you know, I literally feel for KFC today. Like, what do you did really feel for KFC wings? I'm not catch a bug. No. Sometimes I literally feel for something, and then one next time I just breezy. A lot where I want time. Yeah, hear me talk about it multiple. I want time to buy KFC since one day.
I don't say you must buy, but you talk about it a lot. More KFC.
It's not that much. One time I buy it from one day, guys. One time I buy it from one day. One time. Some wings. Because I really like their wings. Like, nobody going like you know, like them wings. Anyways, yeah, guys, she go through her little phase. I don't know she going through her little phase with KFC here. But yeah, where you say coming in a wings box?
I think wings and chicken and biscuit. I'm not sure.
Wings and chicken and biscuit. I think I could get one wings box.
4 wings and 2 pieces of chicken.
I think I could get one wings box.
Yes,
Which means I have one next series to go watch. Last night I watched one series to the end. I started it the night before. It's this series. She put me onto it. SEX Live. YouTube is really weird, you know. Them flag a video for every little thing.
SEGGS TikTok style.
Yeah, so me not go TV take no check, cause y'all know how YouTube is. But yeah, that series them you know watch. It really did start annoying me because like
It's annoying.
Yes,
she doesn't know what
she don't know what she wants, and it just really annoys me. Like she said, brother only 15%, when in fact Brad seemed like him at the 85% because the way she go, she can't operate at home, and then me not gonna lie, Cooper was wrong to read the journal, but Cooper wasn't a bad husband, so I don't know. Anyways. Yeah, we got Money Heist to watch.
I forget because
listen, so the last vlog, the people left. Oh my gosh, you see already. You see something? Oh my god. Listen, my IG feed just spoiled.
They nearly blocked
couple last vlog. Somebody was like, "Yo, brace yourself for the season or whatever."
Especially the episode 5.
Then that's the semi-finale.
The cliffhanger for me to come back.
Bruh, guys. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, like, I'm not talking about cliche that series, you know. Like, some nice, not necessary series, movies, something I can't bother for.
I'm tell you what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you Blacklist and, wait, name? Or Black Mirror. Oh, yeah, I have one next one. Dynasty.
I like drama. You understand? I watch action here and there.
I can put it on to one show, A Quiet Place, part 1 and 2.
You know, they're on Netflix, though.
No, yeah,
she's been talking about A Quiet Place.
It just...
Mama tell you know what I watch on Netflix since recently. I watch Superfly. I watch What Men Think or What Men Want. That was lit with Taraji. I like them little nice, funny movie. Night School. That was a vibe with Kevin. I watched it back again last night with mommy. She was, she had choke herself to all she laugh. Watch it, you know? Them drive down so, like, bruh. Easy? Yeah. What else I watch? Yeah, I watch SEX Live. What else I watch? We about to go and dive in. I know like so we could do it from where they, but as in one. So I'm never there and they don't know, so we have a little crew thing, is a little watch party.
We'd have a group chat, but that was for like when we'd try to catch up.
Yeah. So
you see the man left you out now.
And the worst part, me not really need no CD, I know, you know. But yeah, that watch so far. Oh, I watch Holiday, the one with Christina Milian, the new show there.
Resort to Love.
Resort to Love. Them little, you know. Yeah. You see, if you're going to recommend action show, I'm not an idiot action show. You have to give some action show like
John Wick.
Like John Wick or what I wonder with the name I watch. And it is starting at the end. When name Chris Hemsworth.
Execution or something like so. I saw it, man.
No, something after that. Jeez, I don't know the show we're talking now. What name?
With Chris Hemsworth and him that save a little boy. If you don't know who Chris Hemsworth name, just Google it. You're gonna know who.
Yeah.
And him that care about little boy to him father.
Yeah.
End up in at the end. That one is a good. Everybody's supposed to watch that by now.
I watch quite a couple series though. Not a lot still, here and there. And the thing is, once I start a series, I get so sucked in. But the thing is, I always have the time. The one series I'm gonna really stick to, what everybody hype up, I'm gonna know. I try, but I just can't get back the time to go look back on it. It's Ozark. Everybody hype up that series, Queen of the South, I go far in a Queen of the South, and she makes some move more time, I just irritate me. So I just low it out, and I never go back. I just couldn't bother. You know, and then the worst part, what kind of kill my vibe is the fact that my sister, she make it in her life in at the end and she end up dead. It's like, when you show the ending of the show in at the beginning, and then the middle of the show, it just upset me. I can't bother with them things.
You need to watch Peaky Blinders.
Listen, Divine are the one where I'm obsessed with Peaky Blinders.
I hate it so much.
I realize that they have quite a lot of people will love Peaky Blinders. I'm not gonna lie, the night when he make me start watch it still, me did sleepy that kill me. I may watch it so. Man, I know, it never grab me. I want episode, me really truly watch. Piece of one episode.
Divine, I don't think put it on in the living room, and I was.
No, I don't think it's a bad series. I just think
it's
that.
Not for me.
No, I just think that it catch me at a bad time.
No.
But now I watch quite a couple of Divine series them, and even though I would watch them from my own for the regular day, when I watch them, they made sense. Because I make me watch one where they know all them a real story too. Like you make me watch one where they were a man back in the 70s, back in the 80s used to thief people passport, and he was a gem dealer. If you don't know which series matter, comment it. But that show, like the man make the woman do things see me now, and you know, so the woman end up dead. A cancer killer, the man stressed the woman out and she dead now, and never met nothing in her life, and him dead they all good and well. But just in a 2020 or 2019, them lock him up. Tell us the man run road from like in the 80s or the 90s, one out of the two. Yeah, the man you know him do? Him attract, like him travel the world and go different places, and him scoop out the place them when him go to like resorts, like attractive couples see who rich also, and friend them. When him friend them, invite them to a party where him have back at him theme place where him stay, and drugs them. When him drugs them get really sick, and him see where them have, him go through them things and then end up kill them. kill them, burn them, and take them thing, take out for them picture. Back in them time there, you couldn't take out the person picture out of the passport and put in your picture. So him travel the world off a feed them passport. Yo, the man, him smart. But me say, yo, for them reasons, still technology did have to integrate.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
That's why things have to change.
Things they really have to integrate. But yeah, like that, me say, like, me watch them, like, me would watch a series, but me would click on it on my own. When name Serpent? A serpent it name? I think so, no? I think so. Anyways, and I'm watch, you have a whole line of the Narcos. I watch Escobar, Pablo. I watch it one day. That was something. To just really learn about him life.
Watch them someday.
Me not gonna let everybody know.
Yeah, watch them someday.
Let everybody watch it right through. No, it never. It did actually. It never. You know what creep me out? If you don't know that one, you make me know. Black Crow. Jesus Christ, that remind me of what them something actually happening in some part of the world. Me never did really watch it. Me see the man stop watching. Me not even look. Me not even look.
But yeah, I think me I go pick up back Stranger Things.
Whenever I see that thumbnail, it just creep me out. So we realize we're fully there to have a full-on conversation about Netflix shows.
A long time I see you do.
Watcha? So which other show you watch that you watch from the whole lockdown?
And no, me just start watch Fast and... Well, yeah, really start watch Fast and Furious.
That's the one with Cardi B?
Yeah. No,
it lit?
It's nice, yeah.
Oh, really? Thing is, I can't bother to watch show on my laptop more time. Because I watch it on my laptop. That now I go pick up this thing for that on the TV. So we just there, so I wait for pay for food.
Yeah.
I still like my order already. And good thing I just come in the line and I know them soon start lock up the shopping center. And after this, we literally just go home. That's it. That's it. Tomorrow's a new day. I'ma see what we're gonna do on the road tomorrow, but you guys getting another vlog tomorrow. Can you believe that? Only once I hear them something happening.
I must look for my YouTube and
oh my god, yes.
But I've been going through like I got through a whole thing with my YouTube, so I kind of give up on the channel. That I'm going to be starting a new one, so that is going to be more me. Maybe keep the other one for collaboration purposes in terms of hair companies.
Yeah.
The new one I gonna be more like
more laid back.
It's not gonna be no sit down video. I try.
Yeah, vlogs are a vibe. Vlogs are. You see, like come up that channel and I just vlogs on and again. Yeah, that makes sense. That just makes sense. Like, yeah. You're gonna name that channel here. Yeah, drop some name suggestions down below this vlog. What she should name her new channel, her vlog channel. Let's just say that. Life with Dimples.
I want to stop use Dimples too.
Okay.
I want to change my Instagram name.
I understand. I totally understand. Yeah, drop some name suggestions in the comment section. That would be nice. At this point, I'm just rambling. You know, that thing could have been so delicious when there's some nice Ben & Jerry ice cream.
I've been feeling for ice cream.
Me too. But everywhere I come now.
Yeah, I always feel for things when I can't get it.
Exactly. Guys, you realize we're just there start chatting now, right? Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, give this video, give this vlog a thumb up if, you know, we keep you company, if we uplift your spirits. It was nice having you here, and go and follow us both on Instagram. And stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Share this vlog to all your family members, to your friend them if you're not good with your family. Listen, just share it to everybody where you care about and love and want for just sit down and be entertained, okay? Yeah. So, we'll see you tomorrow. So just go and big up on yourself.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det baby. För de här